Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we are going to look at Bitcoin. We're going to look at Bitcoin primarily on the 1-day chart, the daily, so each of these candles is 1 day. We're also going to look at it on the weekly briefly and also the 4-hour to see what kind of moves we're looking at in the upcoming day today. And then we're also going to focus on mostly the big picture, the 1 year, and we're going to look at some history as well and see what it has done in the past that's similar to what it's doing now. So if you like that, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and Patreon. On Patreon, you're going to get private Telegram, daily chart updates, and weekly videos that are exclusive to Patreon, all linked in the description below. So Bitcoin USD on the 1-day chart, currently we're coming back down to our 21-day moving average. That's what these lines are. 21, 50, 100, and 200 EMAs, which means exponential moving average. So look how many times we've tested it already. It seems like how many times more can we test it before going back up again? Has that ever happened before? And yes, it has happened many times before. Let's go look at the end of the bull run. We don't even know how long this one will last. I do think it's going to be around for a while longer. My guess is more than this year. So we will see. Only time will tell. But we haven't even tested our 21 week one time yet. Look at Bitcoin on the weekly. This is our 21 week EMA. This is our true test of our bull market versus bear market. And once we do test that again, which I believe is coming in the next weeks to months, we will test this line again. Now, good for us that this moving average is moving up quite rapidly. So if the longer it takes, the higher this is going to be. As you can see, the projected line here, even if we just keep going up just steadily like we have been, this is not a big power move yet by Bitcoin. As much as it has gone up, the power moves have not been seen. So if this goes sideways, then this will start to level off slowly. But still, it's only a matter of a few weeks at the most before we're above 40K. So only if we drop rapidly succession, this will just really start to go flat and start to curve back down. So that's what we're looking for, big picture. But I want to focus on the daily today and show you what this has done in history, that you need to just stay patient in a bull market and realize that you can't have constant up moves every day. So let's go ahead and look back at the 2017 bull run and see what we're doing similar. This is going back to 2017. This is in March of 2017. Look at the drops that it got. This is on the daily chart still. Look how low we went. We went to the 200 day back then, and this was the start of the bull run. This is the big from these prices, $1,000, $900 to $20,000 by the end of 2017. So keep that in mind. Look how amazing of a move this pulled, even though we were flirting with the 200 day just 9 months earlier. We were at $891 back here. Even doing it again in April, and still we went to $20,000. That is a move. So we haven't seen anything yet. Anybody that thinks we're done with the bull run, no. So this is on the daily. Look how many times we played. Look, this is bad down here. The 200 day, if we did that now, good luck. Everyone would give up. So this is the kind of moves we want to start seeing. Look at this peel off here. And we've done these kind of moves, right? This is the daily chart. This is not the weekly. We usually look at the weekly. The 21 week line is our favorite. This is the 21 day line. See anything familiar? Doesn't this look familiar from what we're doing now? Look at, test the 21 day. We didn't break it yet. Test 21 day. Now we've broken it. This looks like what we've just been recently doing, doesn't it? 50 day, the 20 day, 21 day EMA right here. 50 day EMA right here. Look what happened. This is a little scary. Got down to the 200 again. This is July now. Keep in mind, we're still going 10x higher in the next 6 months at this point. July 16th, 1750 in 2017. Nuts. Super spike. Look at this move back up. From this to this in 4 days, 70%, over 70% back up. Now that's a move. Look how many people you think sold right here. I bet a bunch. So continue the move, run into your 21 day and get a bounce finally. That'd be nice to find out. That'd be nice to see soon. So look again, another big move up and crash back again. Touch back through the 21 day. Now, luckily, prices are starting to move up pretty rapidly, but you can see, fast forward to even September, and we're down at $2,900. Keep in mind, again, December, we're hitting $20,000 here. Still over a 9x away from here in the next 3 months. Look at this. So we got in the span of 13 days, you're down 40%. Look at that. And then in another, let's say, not even that, another 12 days. So 13 days down 40%. The next 12 days, you're up 42%. Talk about volatility. We haven't seen anything yet. We're still testing the 21 day all year in 2017. Now prices move up, as you can see. Keep your prices in mind. But I want you to get familiar with the 21 day because we're going to keep doing it. It's not like we're just going to peel away from the 21 day to the upside and never come back and test it again. It's probably going to happen over and over until this bull run is done. Just like this bull run. Just like the previous bull run before this. Just like the previous bull run before that. This happens all the time. For new people, you have to realize the crypto is volatile. It's not abnormal. It's Tuesday. So just keep it in mind. Patience is key in crypto. Can you imagine selling here at 5,000 knowing in a month you're going to be at 20K? It did a 4x from right here in 1 month. 5,400 to 20,000. Nuts. Here we go. Look at this run. 1 month. 25 days. 25 days, 250, over 250% move to the upside. That is a blow off top. We haven't seen a 250% rise in 28 days. That is when you know things are getting heated. So keep that in mind if you weren't around for this. I was around for this. I've been in crypto for 5 years now. I've seen a lot of stuff. I do this full time. If you haven't joined us yet, please join us. We do a lot of new videos a week. Like I said, if you want to learn a little bit more, you want me to help you teach you a little bit, follow us on Patreon. Try us out. Then we hit our devastating bear market, and the rest is history. Now, as of today, here's our 4 hours. So this is a shorter time frame. This isn't meant to be, this is not a big picture time frame. This is about as low as I ever go. But I'm just pointing out a key moment here that we have our EMA, our top line EMA coming down here. We want to get a bounce and not do tangled up again. Otherwise, we're probably going lower. So watch this in the next few hours here, right? I would say by the next 4 hours, we'll probably know if we get a bounce, then prices will be going back up. If you see this bounce off of the 50, that's a good news. If not, we're probably pulling another one of these. So it doesn't mean you're going to go much, much lower, but I mean, keep this in mind. So when these crossed, at the point of this crossing, we dropped down another 17%. So what would that look like now? So if this crossed, let's say right here, down another 17%. I mean, look at the price here, guys. So that's going to wake some people up. We drop another 10K over the next, week or so. But just what we just looked at, keep that in your mind. We're in a bull run. We're not near the end of a bull run, in my opinion, and many other people's opinions that are smarter than me. We're not done yet. So remember the patience. Look how many times we tested the 21-day before having our blow off top. We even did a 4x in the last month of that cycle. So keep that in mind. If we did a 4x from here, that's $200,000, guys. It can happen again. So just patience in a bull market will win in a bull market. Today's car of the day is a Ferrari Monza SP1. Just a one-seater. This is brand new. This is not an old Ferrari or anything, even though it looks a little bit retro, a little retro modern. One-seater, one door. Our quote of the day. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I appreciate you. We'll see you on the next video.